Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's agenda is to install PyCharm. PyCharm is a editor like a Python editor. Now you'll be thinking why I'm installing PyCharm when we've already installed a editor. It's because PyCharm gives you more tools and more options than Python editor. So when we start going, then you will know why PyCharm is better and what the benefits of using PyCharm. So, and if you did miss my previous video, then please do watch it so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. And subscribe my channel, and please turn on that bell icon so you can get the notifications of my new videos that I upload. And hit that like button and follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. So let's get started.
In order to download PyCharm, you will first need to go to a browser. I prefer Chrome because I feel more comfortable with it than any other browsers. But you can use any browser you would like, for example, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Everybody have their own choices, so I will not force you to do that. And you want to go to Google, then you want to search download PyCharm, or you can just search PyCharm, then click enter, and then you want to look for the official website, and which is jetbrains.com. See, and please specifically don't go to a website that says ede in front of it, because it's like a advertisement website. And also, yes, you can like download it from other websites too, but JetBrains is the like official one. So going with official one is a lot safer and a lot faster to download. So when you have found the right website, you want to click on it and it will direct you to the home page of PyCharm. And also, please do check the description box for the link to this web page. I mean, sorry, this page. So you know that you don't like go to or click on a wrong website. And you also like follow, so you can like follow along with me. And you will come to this page where it says download PyCharm. And you want to make sure that on which one you choose. Since I'm using Windows, I will choose Windows. But if you're on Mac, then choose Mac. And if you're on Linux, then choose Linux. And I just, yeah, this one gives us two different options. One is professional and one is community. We will go with community because, see, professional is for both scientific and web Python development with HTML, JS, and SQL support. But community is for pure Python development, and that's the one we want. This is not the option for us. Also, this option requires some money, but this is a free one. And so this is C for pure Python development, and that's the one we want. Click download, and the process might take a while. So when the process is done successfully, you want to locate the file and file PyCharm community and click on it. Then it might take a while to load. So like if you're using Windows, you might get this message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, you can click yes. I'm not sure for Mac or Linux. After that, you will get this prompt. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. Just click on next. Then you will get this prompt. Choose installation location where you want to download it, like meaning your path. I'm going to change it. I will just put it where I like. So I'm going to, so I have choose my own file where can you remember, and then if when we are done with that, I will click next. So here So the first step is create desktop shortcut. So you might be asked 32-bit launcher or 64-bit, but here I have only 64-bit launcher options. I will click on it. I would recommend click on 64-bit if you have the option. Then no, don't click that. You want to check this one, create association. In that box, you want to check this one, .py. For the update context menu, do not check. And for this one, update path variable, do not also check that. So just please make sure that all of these are done, and make sure that you've not like clicked on something wrong and you have done the steps correctly. When you are, then click next. So here don't change anything, just click install. But before that, make sure this one says JetBrains. If it doesn't, then just go through this one and choose JetBrains. If it says, then don't worry about it, click install. So it will take a time, so you will have to wait depending on your computer speed. So I will come back. So if the installation process was completed successfully, then you should get this from completing PyCharm Community Edition setup. But before I move on, please do rewatch this video if you think that you've missed any steps, because if you miss any step during the installation process, and then when we start coding in PyCharm and like something doesn't happen for you or you get an error, that means that you missed a step during the installation process. So please do be careful about that. Otherwise, you can move on if you think that everything was done correct. So you want to click finish. Do not check this one, just click finish. And guys, that's it. So in order to access PyCharm, go here and search PyCharm. So since I am in 2020, my version is 2020.2.3, but if you're watching this later on in future, then you might have a later version, so don't worry about it. You want to open it. It might take a while to open because you know it's like very new, so like new things take time to load. So as you see, so when you get this box import PyCharm settings, you want to click do not import settings, then click OK. It's loading, and when you come to this page, it asks which theme do you want. Do you want a dark theme or a light theme? I prefer light theme because I don't know, I just like light. But if you prefer dark theme, then do go with that. I will not force you. When you have done that, click next. So we don't want any additional tools. So just say or click start using PyCharm. And see, now you will see how PyCharm looks and how it is different from the Python editor that you downloaded in my previous video if you watched it. But please do check that video out if you did not watch it. Then you will understand why PyCharm is more easier and gives you more tools than Python editor. So when you come to this page, you want to click new project because like we haven't done any projects. So do not click on open. Click plus new project. So now it asks the location. So I will just say Python project number 1. So that's my location, and then I will say create. And so you see, this is the PyCharm. So it might take a while, so you just wait, don't click on anything. So you want to click on don't show tips because you don't want it. If you want it, then you can keep it on, and then when you have done that, check on the don't show tips and click close. So it's creating the environment. It's like setting up all the everything for the PyCharm that you like chose during the steps during installation process. So I'm just going to come back. So after that setup, you should come to this page. So as you see, this is Python code. Don't freak out like looking at it. You're also going to learn this. They've just given this like a sample Python so you can know how Python looks. So then people who are curious about it, so here it is. This is Python code. Don't worry about it. So this is how PyCharm looks. So this is our, you can like click a project. Then this is a file. You can also like create a folder in the project. Let's say that you want to change the name of the project. You want to right click on it. Then when want to just look through it and find something that says rename. And you want to find refactor. Just hover your mouse on it, then click on rename. You want to say rename directory. You want to say rename project. Click OK. You can put it as I like Python program. So click OK. And let me change this one. Python program, and see, it's done. So you want to click on this arrow, just double click on it, and here we are. I'm just going to delete this file because I don't need it, so I will delete it, but you can keep it if you want. Just click OK. So now I will, before like watching my next video, I will just teach you some basic functions of this PyCharm. So if you want to, let's say you want to create a file, you want to come to this project or Python program, right click on it, go on new. So you get so many options. So file is just for writing like a notepad or just like Word document. You want to click on Python file. So you can click on it. Then you will have to give a name. Make sure that you are on this Python file. I will just say testing number 1. You can just keep anything you want. Click enter. And here is your first file. Then you can write code. But like if you just write this, you might get this red line because see, this is Python programming and Python programming is not like English. And also this is not a notepad, just to tell you. So this is one thing. Let's say you want to create a directory or a folder. So I'm going to right click, go to new. You want to go to directory. That's like folder or another name for folder. Click on directory. I will just name first Python code. You can keep it anything you want. So this folder is for also our next video. So in my next video, I will just tell you you are going to write your first Python program. So you're finally going to code now. My next video, we're just going to start with some basic stuff. Will not go like too much advanced. So stay tuned for that video. And guys, this is it. So this was the downloading of PyCharm, installation of PyCharm. So if you like know Python or a little bit of it, you can test your Python code here. So I will exit out, exit. So please do rewatch this video and please check that all the steps are correct, because as I already told you earlier, if you miss even one step, it is going to be a problem in the future. So just to make sure, rewatch it. So guys, that's all for today, and I hope you learned something new. And PyCharm installation was successful. So that was the objective of today's video. And please like this video if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you next time. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.